Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have jerk, jerkity jerk. Not pork, porkity pork. So today I made Rasta pasta with jerk shrimp and jerk chicken.
Rasta pasta for Pastor Richie.
Rasta pasta. Okay, so this recipe is very simple. Let me know if you want to, tell you how I made it. But it's really simple. You just get some penne pasta, some shrimp. You season your shrimp to your liking. Add some jerk seasoning to it. Saute that. Add some bell peppers, red, yellow, green, onions, garlic. Saute that. Add a little bit of chicken stock, a little bit of heavy whipping cream.
You said if they want. You said if they would tell you, but you tell them everything already.
I'm telling them real quick. A little bit of heavy whipping cream. Mix that up. Add some Parmesan cheese. Add back your pasta. Add your shrimp, and you are done. And then just put some chicken on top. Simple.
She already told you the recipe right there. All right. Give you a bite right there. Hold on. Fool me. The first lady.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. That's me. I need my food money.
There we go. You can see it. Oh, come on. I'm food dropper. Okay.
And guess what, guys?
I ain't put no. You already have pepper on it. I ain't put no more pepper. Family. No grace to in the race today. I'm putting it to the back burner right there. Pepper on it already. Happy Monday. My gosh.
Boy, it tastes good. Family, I was able to cook this in the kitchen. I was so happy.
Came on first and he's chefing up in her new kitchen. But it's not done yet. When it's done.
But I can cook now.
She could cook now. She was so excited. I said, look at her. Cooking up a storm. Okay?
This is some 5 cheese bread.
This is good.
Thank you, honey. I didn't burn it.
Yeah, this is good. Okay.
It's really good.
Rasta pasta.
You have to try this.
This is good. Well, if you did try it already, let us know. No cap, this is good. Right? I miss our cooked food.
I'm telling you.
Oh my goodness.
We're back.
We're back. Here. I feel so generous today. Take a whole one for yourself. Here. That's a jerk. That's a jerk right here.
You get them some shrimp too?
Yeah, here. Just take a big piece. Take a quick. All right, good.
Okay. Are you still full?
They're not full.
You can have some of mine.
Give some.
All right, that's enough.
All right, switch up the cup today. I gotta go. Your big cup. Yes. Wow. I'm full like a cup of ice, you know?
I fill it to the brim.
God damn it. I love my ice. Shout out to my LA fans. It's alright, don't worry. The king couldn't make it this year.
Oh, God.
So I know my heat wasn't going nowhere, but come on now. The king, champions last year, so easy, come on.
That was a COVID champion, that don't count.
Yeah, it was a COVID champion. So shout out to all my LA fans, it's all love. Back to what we came for right here.
Oh my gosh, this is spectacular.
This is good, yo. That chicken is seasoned good. Wow.
You said I didn't burn the bread?
Yeah. Good job. Family, you gotta help us today. It's a lot. It's a lot. So we might not finish it.
When you make this, you don't have to use chicken and shrimp. I was just being extra.
Yeah.
You can use either or. Either chicken or shrimp.
Wow.
And if you don't eat meat, just use the shrimp. Or if you don't eat meat, right? Or
The shrimp.
seafood, just eat the vegetable.
Use the vegetable oil.
Yeah.
This is good though.
It came out really good.
Yes.
I can't believe I never made it before.
What happened? Yeah?
Well,
What he said? Yeah, I didn't ask. If you didn't ask, how we gonna know? Here, all right, take it. Come on now. Take a piece. I didn't know. Y'all didn't ask. Sorry.
the jerk chicken tastes really good. The jerk chicken. The jerk seasoning tastes really good on the shrimp.
Yo, everything tastes good. I don't know what you talking about. I'm just so happy. You got your kitchen. You want your first lady?
I can cook
Look
in there.
at that. Actually Hollywood. Take a look at time. You want to get nothing on the counters.
That's my business.
I'm snitching. Almost done, family. Almost done. But we could cook.
Like cook.
This person, what the hell are they doing?
Always doing something.
Always doing something.
It's a process.
You want some of my soda? I didn't take the cold one though. That's why I brought the ice. You want some?
Thank you though.
I'm mixing my Sprite.
You're gonna drink that with
What?
the jerk sauce, but it's not that spicy.
Not that spicy, but the juice cold. That straw make it extra cold. What y'all been up to? Oh, you like that pop-up live, right? And you eat? Okay, thank you.
How was your
Appreciate
weekend?
How was your weekend too? Wow.
I love the bell peppers.
One more bite, because the first one it dropped. Oh, here. One more bite, there you go. I'll hold it for a little bit. Okay, good. Bell pepper, they taste nice.
It's really good. Really good.
Woo! Excuse me. What happened? Nice, you're free. I ain't never made this before.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow.
It's good to venture out because this is really good.
This is excellent. Not really good.
And
Bad man.
I know you're saying it must be spicy with all that jerk seasoning, but I only put like 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning in there. And it was a lot of sauce.
It's not. Just nice. It just give it a season.
It give it a flavor.
Yep.
Yep.
I mean, saying.
I mean, it does have a spice to it, but nothing like. Yeah, like.
Good thing I tasted it before I put the grapes on it. Good. Delicious.
That is true because you normally don't taste it food. You just start pouring stuff on there.
Yes.
I have to be the one to say, Richie, it's spicy.
Yo, this is nice, man.
It's bad.
Family. No cap. This is
Bad.
good. If you never tried it, so go.
Rasta to the pasta. Straight. This was made for you?
I'm a fashion Rasta.
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta.
You're Rasta, you're pasta.
Yeah. I'm a fashion dread. I ain't no Rasta. I'm near meat. I just eat pork.
Uh-oh.
What?
I almost bit my lip.
Your tongue?
My lip. Almost.
Yo.
Almost.
Let me rate this, family. I'm gonna rate this right now.
Rate it. The pasta.
Okay.
Not my bati.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
What would you rate my bati?
Oh, from a 1 to 10? Oh, God, I give it 100. Well, family, this is really nice.
It's good.
This is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. This is really good. I'm not gonna lie. Only if y'all could taste it. This is really good.
Do they sell this in Jamaican restaurants? I've never seen it.
Yeah, it had it. Remember where they have them? Just got the ad for you. Remember we went to the restaurant the other day? Friday and it says Rasta pasta.
They did?
Yeah. This time you just got asked.
Oh, the one where the food wasn't ready?
Not everybody sell it, but they sell it though.
The ingredients are very simple too.
And capping, this is good, son.
Pasta fill you up though.
Pasta fill you up, but I'm gonna tear it up.
It's really
You're
good.
putting me up, man. Yum up that. I told them. I tell y'all, it's not a lot of food that you're taking all the food.
Really?
Yeah, I told them it's not a lot from the first get-go. I say it's not a lot, so don't take all the food. What I tell them? It was a lot? No, I told them it wasn't a lot.
You told them there's a lot of food, and you may not finish it.
No, I didn't say that.
You want me to rewind the camera?
I didn't say that.
What?
Wow.
See? Because you said it.
Somebody wanted it.
Somebody wanted it. Yeah, my chicken, yeah?
This is good. Wow. You did it good again. You have bodysuit. Nice, right? Cool.
You nervous?
Cool, right? You don't have no clothes, that's why. Woo, that's cool, right?
It's very refreshing.
Alright, so give me some. But you don't want it. If you don't want it, you wouldn't take it. Excuse me. Wow. I ain't gonna lie. Did they answer when you asked them how was their weekend? Okay.
So it's good.
It's good, okay. I didn't hear.
Let me tell you something. It's nothing like home cooked food.
Home cooked food and you enjoy it.
Good. Hearty.
I enjoy it. I really do.
Yeah. I think one more day, miss it, man. But
we couldn't go. We couldn't go without family. Yeah, we couldn't do it, family. Oh my God, we was there scratching our head like, how we gonna do? What we gonna do? You know what I'm saying?
yeah, and it was nice a couple of times I was able to cook in my sister's house. But you know, you gotta cook in your own kitchen.
You want to cook in your own kitchen, you know, family?
Yeah, your own flavors and
Own
seasoning.
flavor, your own seasoning, you know. That's how we like it.
That's how we like it. The chicken is very soft too.
Chicken is nice.
It's just chicken tenders, tenderloin.
Everything is nice.
I just seasoned up and I put it in the air fryer.
Everything is nice.
Came out really good. That air fryer is the best thing they invented.
Yo, that shrimp is seasoned to like the shrimp is, it's not cut, but like the season is inside the shrimp.
Inside your shrimp.
Yeah.
It's swimming.
Swimming in here. Wow.
Honey, I could have sworn you said you wasn't gonna eat all this food.
No, I never said that. I thought it wasn't a lot of food, don't take it off.
He said it was too much food. I'm full.
You full?
I'm full.
I could eat a chicken, I can make a chicken. Oh, I can make a chicken salad. You got salad?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Give him the wow.
The wow.
Okay, family. Yo, I'm telling my youth.
Sure.
Excuse me. Family, I want you to remember this. First lady.
So good.
I want you to remember this too.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
I remember.
Family, whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you.
Ooh.
You didn't know I was going with that one, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. You want me to say it again?
Yeah, Mom, I love it.
You want me to say it again? Oh, you heard. All right.
Say it. Say it.
All right.
Say
First
it.
lady, family, remember this always.
That's a good one.
Whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. You feel me? See, that's how it is already.
Period.
Period. Exactly. That's it. Just remember that. I had to hit you with that one.
That was good.
That was a good one, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Don't forget, you thought I forgot, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for all our new subscribers, welcome to the Greedy Couple. I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, aka Chatty Shanice sometime.
Whatever, that's you.
Right? So, we appreciate all of y'all. Thank you for rocking with us, you know. We had a little bumps in the road, but we're back.
Got some good troopers.
All right. What's your first lady?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Wow. That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bye.
Yo, that shit was